What's going on, everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to receive free crypto coins. Yes, you heard it correctly, free crypto coins. So what you will do, log into your Coinbase account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So if you want to earn some free crypto coins, you simply can go to this menu on the left side of the page, and there is saying learning rewards. Click on that option and you will arrive at this page. So basically what this is it's kind of a quiz. And after you have finished the information they are learning to you, you simply can fill in some questions. If you fill in the questions or the answers correctly, you will receive a certain amount of coins. So I will show you this. We will simply click on something. It doesn't matter which one. Let's say we would like to use this one. We will receive in total a amount of $37 of the Ronin coin. So basically what this is, it's set it up in different modules, and I already have finished the first module, and here you can see the rise of Web3 gaming. So it will take up until 1 minute, and you will receive $1. I have never received such amount of monies in such a short time. So I will show you. Click on start. And now what they will do, they will learn you something about this project. Read it carefully. Became a cake, illustrator. Just read it, and after that, click on the next one. Now, read this also, and don't forget what they are learning to you, because they will ask a question about this project afterwards. Click on the next one. And now the next one. This is also the last one. And now they will ask something. So what is Ronin's main mission? And there you can read something about this. I just gambled this one. I didn't read very carefully. Ah, it was a right gamble, guys. So now I have earned $1 of Ronin. And be careful, it will take up to 24 hours to arrive at your account. So gain this free crypto coins, and hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.